class today. Our topic for today is about verb. So, what is a verb? Okay, today we will discuss the verb and its examples. Are you ready? Verbs are words that show or express actions, doings, motions, or state of being. Verbs are absolutely part of sentences. I will show you examples of verbs. Drink, drink. Clap, clap. Read, read. Eat, eat. Tear, tear. Open, open. Close, close. Cut, cut, cut. There are many actions or verbs that we are doing every day. So I will show it to you today. You draw beautifully. He climbed up the tree. Anna is listening old songs. Riza is laughing so loud. She sleeps in separate rooms. He is running so fast. Leia is dancing happily. We are talking about our dreams. Joy is swimming alone today. Verb is very important in sentence. A sentence cannot work without verb. Same with us. We cannot work without God. God is very important in our life in order for us to continue living daily life. That's all for today. I hope you've learned